Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my AMG Mercedes, how to bring shine on your AMG tip. This is how it looks. They look really dirty. We need the water and we need this metal scrubber. We're going to wet it and then we're going to just scrub it. And when you're going to scrub it, look at that. All the dirt, the carbon has been accumulated, and that's going to bring the shine. It's just rubbing for like a couple times, and look at this. It's already start looking nice. Scrub it and wash it and look at the dirt. It's all this carbon. And if we look on the other side, they look also dirty. So I'm going to clean it the same way and then I'll share with you. Only 5 minutes of work, it brings the outlook to my AMG tips. They are very shiny and they're looking really nice. So that's how it's easy, and you can also do the same thing, bring shine to your AMG tip. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.